Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, my brother called and asked me if I would come clean his oven. So he said, why don't you just come clean it and you can film it? So I was like, okay. Well, when I got there, I didn't realize it was quite this bad, but it cleaned up. Last weekend, his element had burnt up or quit working or whatever. And instead of going and buying a new stove, he just ordered a $35 part and it fixed it. It did the job. So the part came in today and he wanted it cleaned good before he put that on. So I went out there and helped him out with that. While I was cleaning, I had accidentally pushed the wire back into the stove. So at the end of this video, you'll see that we're all three trying to dig that wire out to get it hooked up. But he took the back off and got it through. And then he sent me a few pictures of what it looked like when he put the racks back in and it was completely done. So I'm not going to voice this over. I'm just going to let you all watch and see how we cleaned it up. We just used oven cleaner, easy off, and we used grease lightning. And then I used glass cleaner on the glass. But it's pretty self-explanatory, so just watch and I'm sure you'll figure it out. But this was pretty bad. He is single, so he needed a little bit of help with this. So I went over there and helped him get this cleaned up, and it looked brand new when we were done. So it just goes to show you that if something tears up or if something's really dirty, a lot of times you can fix it and clean it up and it's like new again. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Talk about what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't want to talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up, do some stupid shit. like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Say la vie, do some stupid shit.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day, and I will do anything.
And I don't know what just fell down in there. There's something that...
Oh, we need to do this to our oven.
Huh.
Oh, that's so cool.
That is cool.
I think that actually that part right there comes off if you need it to.
That's pretty cool.
Mama, you need another.
That's going to be so satisfying.
Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer?
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on
tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out.